You know who else don't love you? That man you keep fornicating with, that woman you keep fornicating with, they don't really love you. Because you're going to hell right with them. If they love you, they would say, baby, we can't do this no more. We dishonoring God. Let's go on a fast. And may the Lord guide and align us. Because if he really love you, he'll stop having sex with you right now. If she really love you, she'll stop having sex with you right now after this interview. And say, baby, let's repent and turn from our wicked ways. I really want to be a wife. I really want to be a husband. People not into that. They want to fornicate. They want to have babies out of wedlock. They want to have big baby showers. You have all these stupid baby showers, all these stupid gender reveals. Nobody's getting married. Nobody's married. You want to invite me to 15 baby showers. When are you going to get married? You done have 5 kids by 5 different baby daddies. Check this out. Don't invite me to no more baby showers until you get married, honey. I'm not interested. How many baby showers you going to go to? You're having babies out of wedlock.